Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this cordless circular saw 20 volt from Parkside. The model PHKSA 20LIB3. Bare unit only without battery and charger. It is compatible with all batteries in the X20 volt team series. Max cutting depth in wood 48 mm at 0 degrees. At 45 degrees 36 mm. No load rotation speed 3800 rpm. Saw blade diameter 150 mm. Cutting angle from 0 to 45 degrees. For wood, chipboard, plastic, PVC, lightweight building materials and more. Accessories included with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. In a nice case, and of course included we have the manual and only the tool. And of course here at the case with the tool you can have your 4 Ah battery together with a tool or another battery here, and here you can have your charger all together. It locks very well, no problem. Robust case. Included we have the adapter for the dust extraction, connected here, and your vacuum. And we have the parallel guide. You can have your parallel guide here, at this position. Unscrew that, this red knob. Adjust, tight it very well, and you can cut a straight line at the wood. Here we have the cutting angle scale from 0 to 45 degrees with the screw. Adjust. The same in here, unscrew. And you can adjust that. Find the right position, tight the screws, and you are good to cut the wood. First I will test on 0 degrees. The same in here, we have a guide at the back, inside here, an Allen key to remove the disc, guard cover, plastic, here we have the spindle lock inside this red button. By pressing the spindle lock, locking the disc, and then with the Allen key you can remove the disc and replace the disc. After a long time of use, soft grip here and here, I like it. On-off switch for the laser. We have the switch lock here, you need to press from the left or from the right and then press the trigger, otherwise it doesn't work. The pull lever for the guard. This is plastic. And of course here you can connect the battery. If you want you can use a 4 Ah professional battery or the 8 Ah professional battery. For me, I'm using all the time the professional batteries. Of course if you want you can use the 2 Ah or the 4 Ah regular battery, it is your choice. And with a charger, regular charger or the fast charger, use the regular charger. You will have your batteries longer. So the battery goes here, slide, locks, I like how it looks. Oh, there is then the laser. Button for the laser. Off, on. Let's see if the laser is aligned very well. Yep, it is the correct position here. Okay, and then instant it stops the rotation. I think it has a robust housing, it feels like a premium product. So let's move on and cut a wood, see how well it can cut a wood. You can cut any type of wood anywhere you want because it is portable and works with Parkside batteries. The cost is 45 euros. If you don't have a battery or charger, then you need to give more. If you are a fan of Parkside tools, then no worries, I'm sure you have a battery. I like to use the performance batteries because they last longer. I'm very happy with the results. This countertop was very thick but was cut very well. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.